of C2. Okay. Next, the perimeter of a sector of a circle of radius 5.2 centimeters is 16.4. Then the area of the sector is here. What is given? Perimeter radius is given 5.2 and perimeter of this whole sector means starting from this center to this full area, this is known as sector. Okay, so perimeter means outside length of this sector is what 16.4. so what is this? R plus C, this part, this C equals to 16.4. so 2 into 5.2 plus C equals to 16.4. C equals to 16.4 minus 10.4, that is 6. So you got this part as 6. Okay. Now see this. Now circumference of the circle. See this. We want it now of circle equals to 2 pi r. So what is 2 pi r? 10.4 into pi. Right. That is circumference. Now circumference of circle upon circumference of sector. See this ratio. If you draw the whole circle and circumference of that divided by circumference of this sector. So that is what 10.4 pi upon 6, right, equals to, if you do the if you solve this, it becomes 26 upon 15. Remove the zeros. 15 15 sorry 4 15 and 4 26. So 26 pi upon 15 circumference of circle upon circumference of sector. Now the areas of circle upon area of sector will have the same ratio of circumference of circle and circumference of sector, that is 26 pi upon 15. So areas would also be in the same ratio, right? How? If you want to check, you can check. Make this sector as 60 degrees and try the area and keep this R as same 5, let's say 5, and make this 60 and you can try, you will get the same ratios. So area of sector equals to what now? 15 upon 26. See this. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yogaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.